All right, gold or silver, high side versus upside. Let's get into it, guys. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is Clean Money. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. So yeah, I did get a couple comments and some questions from new stackers, and I wanted to bring this up. And I also got some comments from some older stackers as well. And I think it's pertinent information. I think it's good for someone to say it. I think it's good practice or good honesty as stackers or creators here on YouTube, that we tell the truth, that we give as good information as we can with as little bluster as possible, because we all know that that's what gets clicks and that's what people are after. So gold or silver or even platinum, and I got just, that's all of platinum I got. But let's look at upside versus high side, okay? And what do I mean by upside? All right, so gold is trending again. You can't get gold for under $1,900 an ounce right now. It's just too difficult to find it. If you can, let me know. Leave them down in the comment section so we can go check it out. But right now, you cannot find gold anywhere under $1,900 an ounce. And that is painful to pay that price for me right now. I do not like paying that much for gold. I'll do it, but I'm going to clench my teeth as I do it. But simply just buying gold right now near all-time highs, which is, I want to say it's 2,100. I'll leave something right here and give you an exact price, but we're getting close to that right now as far as whenever you tack on that premium, and that's tough to swallow, right? On the other side, you have people pushing the agenda that, well, with inflation surging the way that it is, there's no place for it to go but up. But there's also people who think that it's on its way down, that Bitcoin is gonna, come and take its rightful place and knock gold off of its perch. And I am not one of those people. I don't see Bitcoin catching gold for quite some time as far as market cap. It's just too much. They're worlds apart in money wise, okay? So it's going right now, okay? Silver, yes, it is very undervalued compared to its high spot price, right? Which is up close to $50 an ounce. So right now, you can't buy silver eagles per se under probably $32, okay? You have upside potential there and you have room to run even more. But the thing that kills me about silver, and I stack silver, I buy silver, I have silver, I own silver, and I'm gonna hold silver. But the thing that kills me is, why should I keep putting a bunch of money into this metal if it's highly manipulated, if it's highly suppressed down to where the price is right now? Why should I keep putting money into it if it's never going to do anything? If it's not keeping up with inflation? Right now, no metal is keeping up with inflation. None of them. That's the potential that people are seeing for precious metals. They're seeing this record high inflation for 30 plus year highs, right? So there's nowhere to go but up for your precious metals. All right. So that's also interesting for platinum as well. Way below its all-time high. Same thing with silver, and it's got upside potential. Do I want to buy a bunch of platinum? No, I don't. There's a couple reasons for that, and I'm going to explain it to you. As far as platinum bullion, not many people buy it. There's not many people that are into platinum. But the case can be made. Once platinum starts running, fools rush in. Okay? They do. They want to buy because they don't want to get left out. They don't want to get left behind. And the same thing's going to happen for this stuff. Instead of buying in the bear market, people are rushing in and they're paying $10, $12 per silver eagle over spot. Even though your direct vendors like Atmex, JM Bullion, who is owned by A-Mark, right? A-Mark Precious Metals. They are direct vendors, direct suppliers for the Silver Eagles, and they get them for $2.35 over spot. But they sell them to you for $10, $12 over spot. So that's the thing that irks me about buying silver. Is this manipulated coming out the door and it's manipulated going in the door? And I have a hard time just digesting those premiums whenever I know what the hell's going on. So that's why I'm always iffy about buying and stacking a bunch of silver. Do I still buy it? Yes, I bought 25 ounces last week. I did. I bought 25 ounces of maples. I felt that it was a good price. I felt that the maples are a better buy than your Silver Eagles. I think that these RCM bars are a better buy than your Silver Eagles. I think that these are a better buy. Even your kookaburras. Everything is cheaper than the Silver Eagles. And at the same time, everything is cheaper than your gold buffaloes, right? Everything is cheaper than your gold eagles. It's just the way it is. However the American bullion goes, everything else is going to follow. Your Britannias, your maples, everything. All of that stuff is going to follow. So whenever the next bear cycle comes, guys, and there will be one, regardless of what people say, there will be another time where the precious metals, they take a dump and they're down there for 5-6 years. That's when you want to load up, okay? That is when you want to stack hard and with everything you got, because that's where you make your most profit going forward. That's how you increase your dollar cost average, and you make it a lot better than what it is now. Right now, you're really not getting a whole lot compared to where we were just a couple years ago. I was buying Silver Eagles for $330, $340 for a tube of 20. Now it's double that. So it pays, to pay attention to the spot prices. So it pays to pay attention to the bear market trends, because in the bear market, that's where you do your best bet. That's where you gain your most. So my advice to you, if you're wanting to stack gold, it has the better overall value. It does. If you're wanting to stack speculation, absolutely buy you some silver, buy you some platinum. Those are your speculative metals right now. Those are the ones with the most upside potential. I'm just gonna break it down for you guys. I like silver right now. I do, but I just don't want to pay for it. How about that? I like gold the most because the premiums are right where I like them, but I don't want to pay for it. So I'm comfortable. I have a decent stack. I feel good. I feel comfortable. I don't have a problem not spending money on gold and silver right now. I just don't. If you don't have anything at all, okay, if you don't have not one single ounce of gold or silver and you're just new looking into this, do yourself a favor. Do as much research as you can. Don't get opinions, but just get as much research done as you can. And which one over time has performed the better, okay, over the long term. And that's where you should put your money. That's where you should put your investment. But like I said, it just depends on how you look at it. For most people, they can't afford to buy gold. At least they think that. So they buy silver instead, and they wait for the GSR to go up or down, and then they trade for one or the other. I don't do that. I either buy gold or I either buy silver. I don't want to do the GSR trades personally. And I just want to clarify, there is a difference, guys. These are all collectibles. That is a collectible. This is bullion. This is bullion. All of that is bullion. And things like this that are high premium, this is collectibles. I didn't clarify that enough clearly in my last video. And I just wanted to let you guys know I did get a good deal, a collector deal on it, because it's cheaper than, I got it cheaper than what they're selling it for the US Mint. So goodness gracious, you'd have thought I'd called someone's mom a bad name or something. All right, well, that's going to do it for today. I appreciate you watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And let me know which one is your high side metal. Is it gold? Is it silver? Where's it going? Do you know? I have no clue. I cannot predict these things, and I will not predict them. I can only show you what I'm buying and what I'm doing personally. All right, that's going to do it for today, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. Keep grinding your stack.